In this video, we will practice by identifying prime and composite numbers. But if you don't know what are prime and composite numbers, I am providing you my video on that. Please watch that video first. Okay, in this question, we are supposed to pick the prime numbers. Which number is prime? We have to look for the prime number, right? So we have to look for the factor of all of these numbers, and for that we have seen that we have to use the divisibility rule. So this if we apply the divisibility of 2 on this number, so we can say that this number is multiple of 2 because we can divide it by 2 exactly, right? And this number is also a multiple of 5. That means this number has more than 2 factors, right? 1, 2, 5 and 20, right? It may have more factors, but this is not prime because we have got more than 2 factors, so we need not to find more factors of it, right? So this is not a prime number. Now moving to 2. Okay, so 2 has only one factor, so 2 is a prime number because, and we need to pick only the one prime number. So we have got our prime number, which is 2 here, right? So 2 is a prime number. Again, if you look at 10 is also have more than 2 factors because 2 is also its factors. Similarly, 6 has more than 2 factors as well. So 2 is only the prime number among these 4 numbers, right? Great. Okay, next select all the prime numbers. So it means we may have more than one prime number in it, right? Okay, so start with the very first number, which is 19. So start applying divisibility of 2. So it is not multiple of 2. Then applying the divisibility of 3. That means it is not also the multiple of 3. Similarly, it is not multiple of 5. That means it is a prime number, right? We have got our first prime number so far. So we have selected this. Now moving to the second one. So applying the divisibility of 2. It is not a multiple of 2. It is not a multiple of 3 instead, and it is not the multiple of 5 as well. So again, this is also a prime number, right? If you look at all of these numbers, they all are not multiples of any number except 1 and their selves. So these all are prime numbers, and you can easily identify by applying the divisibility rules you have learned, right? So till 100 you can easily just identify prime numbers if you know the divisibility of 2, 3 and 5, right? Great. Okay, it is very important to read the instructions what question is, right? So what they are asking, which number is not a prime number, right? So we need to look for the composite number. That means, right, if you look at this number 28 and if you apply the divisibility rule, so you will identify this is a multiple of 2. That means this is a composite numbers, right? All the multiples are known as composite numbers. In other words, if they are not multiple of their own or 1, right? So this number is the multiple of 2 as well. That's why this is a composite number. If you look at this number, so if you apply the divisibility of 2 in this, so this is not the multiple, this is not a multiple of 2. If you apply the divisibility of 3, then you would know that this is not a multiple of 3 also, and this is not a multiple of 5. That means this is not multiple of any number, right? So this is a prime number, and we are looking for not prime, right? Similarly, if you look for 31, neither it is a multiple of 2 nor of 3 or neither of nor of 5. That means it is also a prime number, and the same case goes for 13. That means the only not prime number or the composite number we have here is 28, right? Great. In this question, they are asking which of the following numbers are not composite numbers. Not composite means we need to identify the prime numbers, identify numbers which are exactly not composite, right? So if you look at this, it is a multiple of 2. Divisibility can easily let you know because it has 2 at its units place. That means it is a multiple of 2. So hence it is a composite number, so we would not select this. The next, if you apply the divisibility of 2, it is not a multiple of 2. If you apply the divisibility of 3, it is not multiple of it, and it is also not a multiple of 5. That means it is a prime number, or it is not a composite number. So we have selected this. If you come to this number, so you can see that it has 5 in its units place, which falls in the category of divisibility of 5. That means it is a multiple of 5, hence it is a composite number. So we would not select this. Coming to this, and again we have applying the divisibility of 2, and it is a multiple of 2, hence it is a composite number. So we would not select this. In short, I would like to say in this video that if you find any of the factor, or if you find any number that which is a factor of the given number, that means that number would be composite number, otherwise the number will be a prime number. So I hope you have understood this skill. Go on IXL and practice this skill DFC. If you still have any confusion, please mention your problems in the comments of this video below. But before you mention your problems, please answer this question and mention which of these numbers is a composite number in the comments of this video below. Thank you so much.